Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. This is our first video for the year 2025. I want to welcome you all to the year 2025. God bless you and keep you to the end of time. Happy New Year, guys. In today's video, we are making Brukina with millet powder. So this is our millet powder, which I'll share a video to very soon on the channel. We also have some milk here, and this is our homemade yogurt, some sugar, vanilla essence for flavoring, and water for soaking the millet powder. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So I'll pour the millet powder inside, add some water, and then mix with my hands to form kind of a pearl or couscous look. I'll be adding the water from time to time until we obtain the kind of balls that we want. See that as I'm moving it around in the bowl, it's forming ball-like look we want. So this is it. So we are going to cook this here with our cheesecloth. If you've been able to watch us from the beginning of today's video till now, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. Please do subscribe, it's very important. And please turn on your post notification. I've poured it inside the cheesecloth in a colander, so I'm going to cover it with the lid here and allow it to cook off for a few minutes. At this point, we are going to check on it. And then we stir with our fork here to ensure every part of it is cooked through and through. Again, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, stir in between, and then we'll continue from there. So these are the millet powder made into pearl-like or couscous roots, cooked over steam in a cheesecloth, and is ready for use. We are going to pour this into a bowl and let it cool off completely. So I'm pouring the millet balls here. So this is it, ready for our Burkina production. We are going to let it cool off the steam completely. before we do any other thing to it. So it's cooled off completely and it's not hot anymore. We are going to start the making of the Brukina. Pouring in the yogurt. This is our drinkable yogurt. So we are going to add our flavor and then the sugar. So we are going to fetch, pour in here, and then we use the whisk to mix it in. Adding in some milk, and then we stir. So our Brukina is ready. We are going to serve it. If you've been able to watch us from the beginning of today's video till now, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. Please do subscribe, it's very important, and please turn on your post notification. It can also be served with some groundnuts as done on the streets. So you mix it up and then it's ready to enjoy. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.